Si Mel. Kaya to.
Ilang MB ka?
Ang pre-memory, 242 sa phone. Sa memory card.
Hindi dyan, madalasan.
As we approach. Welcome to Duhatan.
Ang ina mo, Montesa. Ang bigat ng padala mong bag. Walang joke. Hingan na kami.
This has an average weight of 7 kilos.
Maybe this is a little bit
Heavier.
heavy. About
Hello, chickens.
sinanggi ay sandalan na. Malapit lang.
Too many chickens here.
Malapit lang. Sinat lang namin ang mind nila na malayo.
Para,
Sinat lang namin para.
Welcome to Barangay Halang!
Ito na po kami. And here we are. Going down the street with very heavy bags. Mamontesa. What the hell?
Now, what I feel about this bag is about 9 kilos.
I want to throw this bag.
Oh, there's a car approaching us. A motorcycle.
We need to be...
Welcome to Barangay Halang!
Ay, harap mo bago nagsungasab tayo dalawa. 1, 2, 3.
Picture tayo, picture! Picture! Picture mo kami, Deo. Sige. Para mga batang yun. Parang nila ako lang. Ang gat ng gusto.
Kaisip pa rin ng bata. Para pa rin talagang bata.
Ha?
Para pa rin talagang bata.
Teka.
Teka na, ano pa lang eh. Ulit. It's one of my last day on earth. And I'm going to die. I'm going to swim from here to there. And it starts now.